What's the score? Nice try, man. Hey, look, look. Take it off. No problem. What's that? Come on, don't force that. I'm with you. Man. Step by. Who? Step by. Right square. Four. Yeah, sorry. What up there? Good move. You might spin on, you know? Good layup. Yeah? Good run, boy. Good run, boy. Oh, for the day, sir. Miss. Leave it. What is score? 6. Even 6. How much you have? 11 again. Oh, no, don't do that. Yeah, man, I ball that, you know. No, man, the man can't. Man, just say don't do that again, see me? Son, yeah. Ready? Good job, get my forward. Don't get your upset. May I help you next? Yeah, man. Kill me. Yeah. Gone. Oh, damn. Start! Nice try. Four. Nice up, boy.
Start with me, man.
Alright, ready, my side. What play now? What the score? 5-7, 5-7.
No, hold on. Then man got 8 in him. No, never score after that. Never score after that.
Look a while ago, we get a breakaway, but...
No, hold on. And the air ball. And the air ball that made the game.
Miss man. Where you going? Oh, Raymond, come back. Oh, God. That's all. None. Yeah. Follow here. Yeah. Alright, my bad, man. Ah, shit. Shot. Oh. Hey, come. Grab now. Come on, I'm not traveling. I'm not traveling when me walk with it.
We need one more stop. Put the ball in travel.
You want me to stop it?
I'm not traveling. Make sure.
It look clean to me still, but I don't know.
Raymond foul, man. Please. When me not get foul, that's it. Call the phone, we'll give the ball, man. I'm not traveling. Let's score. You're still down by 2. 6 to there now. So how much is that? Eh? Let's score. 6 to there now.
We score 2 baskets after 7 or 8. After 7. After 7-5. Score 2 baskets.
We'll go 8 while I go Raymond when you score again. Oh, if you check out me, I'm not catch you like the ball. Look at the ball. Look at the ball, I go, sir. Play ball. That's a check. That's the call check. Ready? Check, yeah. This is the call check. Oh, boy, D. We're ready now. The boy them nasty. No. Bullshit. Check. I want to get that. Let's see. I don't think you can see that.
Yeah, replay that video there, here. After. Yeah, replay that video there after.
Oh, gosh, man. Double in. Shoot it. Oh. Raymond! Sorry, Zach. Are you more again? Woo! You want to spin? No, make him spin now, brother. Yeah. Alright, come on.
Oh, yes. 9 minutes.
9 how much? 7? Yeah. Step up. Come here. You know, Miss Aggie. Anything you know, give. What's your base, right? Yes. Good.
Oh, yes, Junior.
Step the ball. Nice. Good.
Oh, nice.
Run back. 10, good. 10 1 and 9 with it. Yes. Sir. No, too much man go cut down when I think you might go.
Set the ball. Watch him carry it.
Alright, got it. Why?
My bad.
Ball look like a market woman.
Turn, Zach! Turn on. Stop turning your box, you know. I tell you already. Good shot, man. Stop turning your box back.
Hey. Why I run back with you? Can't turn around and look.
Yeah, off a turn around. Oh, yes. Can't do that. Nice. Can't do that, dog.
Game?
Yeah.